Okay, so as it looks like it, the Boeing 777-9 is currently flying across from Seattle to Dubai. I don't know what for, but if it's like a delivery, then yeah, I'm actually not too sure. But if you have a look, currently it is number 6 worldwide, and as you can see, it's been built in America in 2020, and it's almost halfway there now. And it says it's heading to Dubai. Right now it's just about to cross Iceland. Given the 3-letter code for Dubai, it's not going to turn up to the international airport. Instead, it's going to turn up here. So basically where that FedEx plane is going to land it right now. But wow, I'd never thought I'd see something like this on the flight radar, because I have never seen a Boeing 777-9 on the flight radar before. If you have, comment below. I'm interested to know your experience. So yeah, there you go. Just thought I'd show you in case you're interested.